Hi, good morning. Today we have with us. It's a very big honor for me to introduce to you Sunil Munshi. He's a highly evolved spiritual master and he teaches advanced courses of Sri Ravi Shankar's The Art of Living. There are times when we as a doctors also, we love to interact with some of the patient and he's one such person. We have learnt a lot from him about various things of life and therefore I am very privileged to serve to him and treat him for what he's come for. As far as dentistry is concerned, he's undergone a lot of treatment. I think he must have done everything possible. Implants, crowns, bridge, root canals, restorations, we've done everything. So I just wanted to ask him, because he's been coming to us and he's been very regular. Even the smallest of the things, he comes and visits us to prevent further dental problems. I think the implants, I think we must have done it about 10 years ago? Possibly. 10 years ago, we had done very advanced level of implants for him, and because of his spiritual energy and aura, he didn't have any problems. Of course, a little bit credit he gives it to me, but I know, people like him, they never get into trouble when they undergo treatment. So I just want to ask Sunil, what are the things that you look for when you choose a dentist? Whether you look for integrity, the management, the technical expertise, the staff, the aura, everything. And why did you come to us? Of course, we remember I used to treat you at the lady doctor, I forgot her name. Late Meera Ben. She was an old lady. I was very young and I used to go visiting, consulting to her place. And there I had met Sunil and I was introduced to him. At that time I was called to do a root canal and I had done in the root canal. I think from those days we know each other.
It's more than 2 decades, almost 30 years I would say, since I met Dr. Ashish, and he has given some the criteria for me to have been with him for last 30 years and not gone to any other doctor, any other dentist, is because A, he is very methodical, 2, he has got very light and soft hands, 3, his organization in the clinic is so very hygiene and the staff is very good. The procedure is very methodical and he explains what is going to happen and why we need to do X and not Y. And as a human, any patient will look to a doctor, the sign of humanness, the connection, the bonding, the simplicity, the integrity. And what I noticed in Dr. Ashish is he's only thinking of my best interest, and that's how he's gone about treating me. He is so good that I have not even thought of going to anybody else in the last 30 years except him. So I would say to anybody and everyone who's going to view this clip, without any hesitation, with full faith in him, just reach out to him and go for a consultation and trust him that he knows the best and he will only do the best for you. And the fact that the implants have lasted more than 10 years and I'm smiling says it all.
Right, thank you very much. But today we will not end it here. I would like him to explain what exactly does he do. So more than you coming to me and getting some treatment done, I want you to understand what he is doing, and if you can benefit from him, I would really love that to happen. So Sunil, what exactly do you do and how was your journey started?
Well, let me tell you, I have a corporate background too. I worked for 18 years with one of the largest international
You were with Knight Frank, I suppose.
Consultancy firm Knight Frank. It's a British company, 100 years old. Before the formation of Knight Frank, or since the inception, Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar came into my life and blessed me to be a Art of Living faculty. So for past 30 years, I am teaching these programs at higher levels too, which Dr. Ashish mentioned, which is the advanced meditation course, and then the Sahaj meditation course, and of course the happiness program, which is the entry level, the happiness program. So these are all very life transforming courses. Courses is just a name, is behind the course, and the technique is blessings and grace. And people's destinies have changed, and I would recommend its product is breath. And everybody breathes, and everybody in the world experiences the same emotions: anger, lust, jealousy, arrogance, and nobody knows how to deal with these emotions. No school, no college will teach you how to do it. So that's when the master comes and gives you this technique and the blessing and the grace to bring about a shift, to enrich your life, to be happy, to feel, be joyful, to enhance the godliness which is there within all of us. For most of us, it's in the seed form, but when the master transfers the energy, then that seed starts to flower and becomes a bud and then flower a tree. So there is no restriction of any kind or change in the lifestyle. You live a simple life like the way I've been living, but the experience of living life is very, very different. And I would recommend everyone who has yet not done, sign up and do the happiness program. That's the first small step that you will take. You take the first step, the master will take 10 for you, and then you see. I'm not preaching. Art of Living has been there for more than 42 years, 192 countries, millions and millions and millions of people have experienced this knowledge. And as I speak, somewhere in the world, some more have got benefited with this program. So, wishing you all the best that you will make it to this program.
I'm going to share his link in the description below. Please, whosoever is interested, it's a very beneficial thing. We may feel that we may not require it, but how will you know unless you experience it? You experience it once and you realize it will be a life-changing thing. And in today's world, where there is so much of chaos, we need to up our game. And this is one of the reasons why, if you want to up your game and you want to be the best person that you can ever be, you need to join and learn the Art of Living program. And I'll definitely share the link below. Please go and just try it out. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sunil. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.